What we're looking at here is the terrace houses where the wealthy people lived, the elite of Ephesus. And you see the type of opulence that they lived in. Frescoes on the wall, tiled floors. These floors were probably heated with hot water as well. In the ancient city of Ephesus, Roman opulence was on full display. Elite members of society enjoyed a lifestyle fit for royalty in the terrace houses that still stand today. Excavations indicate that the wealthy enjoyed a very grandiose lifestyle. These impressive dwellings were built on the side of a hill, and they were typically 2 to 3 stories high. The ground level of the houses held a courtyard, with the upper levels featuring a variety of rooms including living quarters, dining areas, and baths. The wealthy families who lived in the terrace houses were typically merchants or politicians. They enjoyed a luxurious lifestyle and ate a variety of foods such as fish, olives, bread. They drank wine imported from nearby vineyards. Slaves were part of the terrace houses. They helped take care of the household, as well as assisted with trade and other business activities. The wealthy families in the terrace houses gained their wealth through a variety of means. Many were involved in trade and commerce, as well as land ownership and other investments. They also benefited from the city's strong economy, which was based on the production of agriculture goods, trades, and building. John's Gospel was written in the year 100 AD in Ephesus. The book of Revelations mentions Ephesus as one of the 7 cities with a strong Christian community at the time. When the Christian Crusaders, on their ancient mission, arrived at the place they thought should have been Ephesus, there was only a small village, and the people there had forgotten all about the Temple of Artemis. Ephesus had a long, tumultuous history. On a very fateful day in October of 1304, Sasha Bey, who is part of the influential Turkish realm, conquered it. The Church of St. John became a victim of their attacks, and many locals were displaced. Unfortunately, some did not survive the events of that day. After a tumultuous period of unrest, Ephesus was restored to the Ottoman Empire in 1425. Deprived of access to the trade routes of the Aegean Sea, its wealth rapidly declined. A peek into this civilization's past reveals an undeniable connection between man and his environment. Over the centuries, the people of this city have migrated up and away from its original lowlands to the sanctuary of the hills. Within just 100 years of the 15th century, it had been completely deserted. Ephesus was left to the ages.